Hello, right, as the title suggests, today we're going to take a look at the Silverline 1200 watt circular saw. Now, I was needing in a hurry to get one of these saws to build the actual thing I'm standing in just now, my man cave. Yeah, I cut well and truly over 35 boards of plywood and other kinds of wood, doing all sorts of rip cuts. This thing was fine. Absolutely fine. It never once slowed down. I chopped through like the wood that I have that made the apex of the roof was reclaimed wood, and it had lots and lots of nails, and the ones I couldn't remove were just, well, beaten down and left in the wood. When it came to measuring up and making some of the cuts, it became apparent that the nails were through some of the bits that needed chopped through. And I was unsure how this was going to handle cutting through nails, but didn't even feel it. It was just chopping through them like it was wood. It didn't even matter. Now this has the original disc it was in it. I was going to go ahead and buy a Diablo blade, but it was nearer the time of having to start my build, and I didn't have money to throw about on an extra blade. So this little sucker done fine. I'd imagine it would be one of the world's worst blades in it, and it still managed to cope with everything that was thrown at it. It's got rubberized grip, it's got full lock on, it's got the part up inside here where you can change the brushes if you need to. It's got the angle gauge on the side, depth gauge for your depth cut, and you can tilt it. It's got the grid up here for your 45 degrees. You just lock it down with a butterfly nut. Absolutely fine. Worked a treat. It's loud, but done everything it needed to do. Cheap as chips. So I was glad I actually bought this one, because I ended up doing more cutting than I did expect. And a lot of it couldn't fit in the chop saw that I bought at the time, which I'm just about to do a video about as well. But this 1200 watt circular saw, if you're in the line of getting one and wondering, is it going to pack in after a day's use? Is it going to keep on cutting? I would say definitely be prepared to get a much better blade that's going to make the cutting a lot easier. But we done it, straight cuts, chopped through, didn't stall out, didn't cut out, nothing like that. Cheap and cheerful, well happy. So, but I'm sure these are rebadged under lots of different names. Have a good look at the outlay of it. You'll probably see it sold under many different manufacturers, because that's what they do, isn't it? They get churned out of a factory, they get rebranded under everybody else's names. Some have different shaped plastics slapped around the outside and then claim to be a much better quality, when in actual fact it's the same junk underneath. Nothing's going to match up to a good old tool, but as far as cheap and cheerful goes, this one does it. It's got safety guards, it's got everything you need, cuts through everything you want it to cut through. Absolutely fine. This one's the Silverline. Very cheap, only cost me about 35 bucks on eBay. So never let me down. Works every time. Cuts through metal just as easy as it cuts through wood. So what more can you say? Bye for now, guys.